guys, it's Coolcraft. And today we're going to be making paper stars. They're so cute, so fast, and so simple. And let's get started. So what you're going to need is a strip of paper. I'm using 1 centimeter by 30 centimeters. So first what you're going to do is at the end, I'm going to make this knot. See, there's like a loop. And you just have to put it in. There we go. So that's going to be like our star shape. But we'll make it look like a star. And I'm just going to get this, flip it over. I'm going to cut a bit of it. And there we go. I just tucked it in. Or you can just cut all of it. I'm just gonna cut it in. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wrap this around like a present. You're gonna wrap it until like the whole paper's done. See, like that. I'm just gonna tuck this in. And to make it look like a star and puffed up, we're just gonna pinch the corners. There we go. Pinch. See? Now we've got a puffed up star and we're done. So this is it. Please like and subscribe. I hope I'll be posting soon. Bye! One more thing is, when you're pressing the subscribe button, please press the little bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. Bye!